Hey everyone, it's David. Ever find yourself starving at midday, buried in work and clueless about what to eat? You barely have time for a break, and the lure of junk food is real. But what if you could have fast, healthy meals that keep you energized and on track? Today, I'm sharing my top 5 go-to meals for busy professionals who want to lose weight and feel great. These recipes are quick, nutritious, and taste amazing. Say goodbye to the midday slump and hello to easy, healthy eating. Let's dive in. First up, let me introduce you to my 3-minute overnight oats jar, a total morning game changer that's about to revolutionize your breakfast routine. If you're tired of skipping breakfast or settling for something less than nourishing, this is the perfect solution. It's quick, it's easy, and it's packed with nutrients to fuel your day from the very first bite. All you need are a few simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: rolled oats, plain Greek yogurt, and your favorite milk. You can use dairy or plant-based milk, whatever suits your taste and dietary needs. These 3 ingredients form the base of your overnight oats, giving you a creamy, satisfying texture, and a boost of protein and fiber. Start by layering half a cup of rolled oats into a clean mason jar, or any container with a tight-fitting lid. Add a generous dollop of Greek yogurt, about a quarter cup is perfect for creaminess and extra protein. Then, pour in enough milk to just cover the oats and yogurt. Give it a gentle stir to combine everything, making sure the oats are fully submerged so they can soak up all that goodness overnight. Now comes the fun part: toppings. Sprinkle on a handful of fresh berries for natural sweetness and a burst of antioxidants. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds for a nutrition boost. They're loaded with fiber, omega-3s, and help keep you feeling full longer. You can also toss in a few nuts or seeds for crunch, or a drizzle of honey or maple syrup if you like it a bit sweeter. Once your jar is loaded up, screw on the lid tightly and pop it in the fridge. That's it. While you sleep, the oats soak up the milk and yogurt, softening into a creamy, pudding-like texture. The flavors meld together, and by morning, you've got a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast waiting for you. No cooking required. In the morning, just grab your jar from the fridge, give it a quick stir, and you're good to go. The oats are perfectly creamy, the berries are juicy, and the chia seeds have plumped up, adding a fun texture. It's a breakfast that feels indulgent but is actually super healthy and packed with fiber, protein, and vitamins. The best part? It's totally portable. You can take your oats jar with you to work, school, or wherever your morning takes you. Each serving is filling and satisfying, clocking in at only about 280 calories, so it fits perfectly into any healthy eating plan. Plus, you're getting a balanced mix of carbs, protein, and healthy fats to keep your energy steady all morning. Want to save even more time? Make a few jars at once for the week ahead. Just line up your containers, prep them assembly line style, and you'll have breakfast sorted for days. Switch up your toppings each day. Try sliced bananas and walnuts, shredded coconut and mango, or even a spoonful of nut butter and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a cozy twist. This breakfast isn't just convenient, it's also incredibly satisfying. The combination of oats, yogurt, and chia seeds keeps you full for hours, fights off mid-morning cravings, and gives you lasting energy. You'll notice you're less likely to reach for sugary snacks or feel that energy crash before lunch. No more skipping breakfast or grabbing a pastry on the way out the door. With overnight oats, you're making a healthy choice that's just as quick as any grab-and-go option, but so much better for you. It's honestly the ultimate meal prep hack for busy mornings. Whether you're rushing to get the kids ready, heading out for an early meeting, or just want a few extra minutes of sleep, these oats have your back. You can even prep them in under 3 minutes the night before. No stress, no mess. Don't be afraid to get creative with your flavors. Try it with bananas and walnuts for a classic combo, or go tropical with mango and coconut. Add a spoonful of peanut butter, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or even a few dark chocolate chips for a treat. The possibilities are endless, and you'll never get bored. Give this overnight oats jar a try and let me know your favorite flavor combos. Share your creations with friends or family. They'll love how easy and delicious breakfast can be. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in your mornings. Healthy mornings have never been easier. With just a few minutes of prep, you can enjoy a quick, delicious, and stress-free breakfast every single day. It's a small change that sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. That's how you start your day right, with a breakfast that's nourishing, convenient, and totally customizable. Now that breakfast is sorted, let's move on to lunch. Next, let's fix lunch with the 5-minute office salad jar, a game changer for anyone who wants to eat healthy, save time, and avoid the midday slump. If you're tired of boring, wilted salads or greasy takeout, this is about to become your new favorite lunch hack. It's quick, customizable, and keeps your greens crisp until you're ready to eat. Forget soggy desk salads. This one stays crisp and fresh, even after hours in your bag or fridge. The secret is all in the layering, which keeps every ingredient at its best until lunchtime. Start with a simple vinaigrette at the bottom of a mason jar. You can whisk together olive oil, vinegar, a squeeze of lemon, a touch of honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This homemade dressing is not only healthier than store-bought, but you can adjust the flavors to suit your mood. Try balsamic, red wine, or even a spicy mustard vinaigrette. Add chickpeas for protein, then layer in cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. Chickpeas are a fantastic plant-based protein, but you can swap in black beans, lentils, or even grilled tofu if you like. The key is to add the heartier ingredients first, so they marinate in the dressing and soak up all that flavor. Top with a big handful of spinach or your favorite greens. You can use arugula, kale, mixed baby greens, or even shredded romaine. The greens go on top so they stay dry and crisp until you're ready to eat. The layering keeps everything fresh until you're ready to eat. Each bite is full of texture and flavor, and you never have to worry about a soggy salad again. When lunchtime hits, just shake the jar to mix the dressing through. The vinaigrette coats every ingredient, turning your jar into a perfectly dressed restaurant-quality salad in seconds. Eat straight from the jar for ultimate convenience, or pour into a bowl if you want to feel a little fancy. Either way, you get a fresh, delicious meal with zero fuss. This salad is about 350 calories, light, filling, and energizing. It's packed with fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied and focused all afternoon, without the heavy crash that comes from fast food. Prep 3 jars on Sunday for grab-and-go lunches all week. Just line up your jars, chop your veggies, and assemble. In less than 20 minutes you'll have several days worth of healthy meals ready to go. Customize with different veggies, proteins, or dressings. Try roasted sweet potatoes, shredded carrots, bell peppers, or even a sprinkle of feta or goat cheese. Add grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or tuna for extra protein. The possibilities are endless, so you'll never get bored. It's a system that makes healthy eating effortless. With your fridge stocked, you'll always have a nutritious option on hand even on your busiest days. No more last-minute takeout or unhealthy choices. You'll save money, avoid the afternoon energy crash, and feel good about what you're eating. Just fresh, vibrant meals that keep you on track. Each jar is a burst of color and nutrition, making healthy eating something you actually look forward to. Healthy lunch, done in minutes. It's that easy. No more excuses. Just a few minutes of prep for a week of better lunches. Try it with grilled chicken, quinoa, or roasted veggies for variety. You can even add nuts, seeds, or dried fruit for extra crunch and flavor. The office salad jar is your new lunchtime hero. Stay fueled, stay focused, and enjoy a meal that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Let's talk snacks. The 3 p.m. slump is real, and if you're like most people, you know that feeling all too well. Your energy dips, your focus drifts, and suddenly you're reaching for whatever snack is closest, often something sugary or processed. But what if you could beat that afternoon crash with something that's not just quick and easy, but also genuinely good for you? That's where my protein energy box comes in. It's my secret weapon for powering through the day, and it can be yours too. The best part? It's not a recipe, just smart assembly. No cooking skills required, no fancy ingredients, and no mess. You simply gather a few wholesome foods, pop them into a container, and you're set for the day. It's all about making healthy choices effortless so you can stay on track even when life gets busy. Here's how I build mine. Pack 2 hard-boiled eggs for a solid dose of protein, add crisp apple slices for fiber and a touch of natural sweetness, and toss in a handful of almonds for healthy fats and crunch. Each item brings something unique to the table, and together, they create a balanced, satisfying snack that actually keeps you full. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein which helps keep your muscles strong and your hunger in check. Apples add a burst of fiber and antioxidants, supporting digestion and giving you a gentle energy lift without the sugar crash. Almonds round it out with heart-healthy fats, vitamin E, and a satisfying crunch that makes every bite feel like a treat. This combo isn't just tasty, it's designed to keep you full, fight off cravings, and give you a steady boost of energy that lasts for hours. No more mindless snacking or feeling sluggish at your desk. Instead, you'll feel satisfied, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. The real magic happens when you prep a few boxes at the start of the week. Spend just 10 minutes on Sunday assembling your protein energy boxes, and you'll have grab-and-go snacks ready for every busy afternoon. It's meal prep made simple, and it saves you time, money, and stress all week long. Each box clocks in at just 220 calories, but it's packed with nutrients your body needs. You get protein, fiber, healthy fats, and a little natural sweetness, all in one convenient package. It's a snack that satisfies without weighing you down, so you can feel good about what you're eating. With your protein energy box on hand, you can skip the vending machine runs and avoid those dreaded sugar crashes. No more settling for chips or cookies when you need a pick-me-up. You're in control, and your body will thank you for it. It's portable, mess-free, and perfect for your desk, your bag, or even the car. Healthy snacking doesn't have to be complicated or boring. With a little planning, you can make it a seamless part of your routine. Want to mix things up? Swap in berries for a tangy twist, crunchy carrots for extra fiber, or walnuts for a different kind of healthy fat. The possibilities are endless, so you'll never get bored. Build this habit and you'll always have a smart snack ready. whether you're at work, at school, or on the go. It's a small change that makes a big difference in how you feel every day. Stay energized and on track all afternoon. No more energy crashes, no more mindless munching, just steady, focused productivity, and a happier, healthier you. It's a mini meal that feels like a treat, but it's actually fueling your body and mind. You'll look forward to snack time, knowing you're making a choice that supports your goals. So ditch the chips and the empty calories. Grab your protein energy box instead. It's a simple swap that can transform your afternoons and your health. Your body and brain will thank you for making this small, positive change. You'll feel the difference in your energy, your mood, and your focus. Now let's make dinner easy, because healthy eating shouldn't stop at snack time. Here's my go-to 10-minute wrap. Another quick, delicious way to keep your energy up and your meals stress-free. After a long day, you need dinner fast. Enter the 10-minute dinner wrap. Use a whole wheat tortilla for fiber and warmth it up. Add pre-cooked grilled chicken strips for instant protein. Layer on sliced avocado for healthy fats and creaminess. Toss in some lettuce or mixed greens for crunch and vitamins. Roll it up tight, slice if you like, and dinner is served. This wrap is about 400 calories, light, filling, and balanced. High in protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you satisfied. Customize with salsa, black beans, or Greek yogurt for extra flavor. Swap chicken for shrimp or tofu if you want. It's your canvas. Make it your own. No more takeout temptations or complicated recipes, just a quick, delicious meal that supports your goals. Dinner in 10 minutes? No stress. Eating healthy at night has never been easier. You've got this. Ready for dessert? Craving something sweet after dinner? Try my guilt-free dessert smoothie. Blend a frozen banana, a handful of spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and unsweetened almond milk. The banana makes it creamy and sweet, no sugar needed. Spinach adds nutrients you won't even taste. Protein powder makes it filling and helps muscle recovery. Blend until smooth and thick. Enjoy with a spoon or straw. It's only about 180 calories and totally satisfies your sweet tooth. Add peanut butter or berries for a twist. It's dessert that's actually good for you. No more late-night ice cream runs. Just a delicious, healthy treat to end your day. You can have your dessert and your health too. Try it tonight and see how good healthy can taste. Nourish your body from breakfast to dessert. Let's wrap up. There you have it. 5 fast, healthy meals to keep you energized and on track. From overnight oats to the 10-minute wrap, eating well is simple and quick. Try 1 or 2 recipes this week and see the difference. Prep ahead, stay consistent, and enjoy the results. Healthy eating should make life easier, not harder. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out our playlist for more quick, healthy ideas. See you next time.